calm yourself and keep calm in stressful situations and not let anxiety override everything. And I'm sure none of us can relate to this.
I think that you can look at it as the three stages, right? Before, during, after. For pre-anxiety invoking events, if you know it's going to come up ahead of time, I like to write out ahead of time, like what about the situation is making me feel anxious versus just going, the situation is anxiety provoking. You kind of go, oh, what's the specifics? Anxiety is uncertainty driven anyway, right? And so if we just go, oh, the whole vibe is just off, we're going to probably stay pretty anxious. Whereas if we can go, what actually about it is making me not feel calm? Sometimes even just writing it down, you go, oh, it's not as bad as it was when it was a big swirly cloud of nothingness. If it's like in the moment, you're like, oh, everything was going to be fine. And actually have randomly become very anxious. I think that's where we use a lot of the somatic work, a lot of the grounding work. And that might be things like paced breathing, like a slightly shorter inhale, slightly longer exhale. It might be like progressive muscle relaxation, a lot of the stuff that I think we do with our clients. And afterwards, especially if you've got social anxiety, it's like noting down repetitive thoughts that come up for you if you're like ruminating on the situation. And there we can do like, I do a lot of thought challenging stuff to address like, is what you're ruminating on true? What other possibilities could there be about that situation? And can you let some of them be a maybe? Those are the things that help me a lot before, during, and after.